Welcome to the session number 12 from the playlist of motion in a plane. The topic is the motion up an inclined plane, and based on this topic I have written here 5 important formulas, and I've also made one diagram here in order to understand these basic formulas pertaining to this topic. So here this is the horizontal surface, this is the inclined plane, and the angle of inclination of the inclined plane with the horizontal is alpha. And from this point O, I am firing one projectile with a velocity u, which is making an angle theta with the inclined plane. So, in this case, the time of flight will be equal to 2u sin theta divided by g sin alpha. The maximum height which will be attained by this projectile will be equal to u square into sin square theta divided by 2g cos alpha. The horizontal range will be equal to 2u square sin theta multiplied by cos in bracket theta plus alpha divided by cos square alpha, and the range will be maximum when this theta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. Now the next point is that the maximum range is equal to u square divided by g in bracket 1 plus sin alpha when the projectile is thrown upward, and the maximum range is equal to u square divided by g in bracket 1 minus sin alpha when the projectile is thrown downward. Now ये जितने भी फॉर्मूलेज हैं हमने यहाँ पे लिखे हैं, ये आपके इनकी डेरिवेशन जो है वो आपको बुक्स में मिल जाएंगे, एंड दोज डेरिवेशंस आर वेरी easy and simple to understand. So here I have not taken up those derivations because for each and every derivation I will have to take separate sessions. तो यहाँ डेरिवेशंस मैंने अभी आई एम नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन द डेरिवेशन इन दिस सेशन, बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट ये जो आपकी 5 इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलेज हैं ये आपको याद रखना है. दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट from the point of view of solving the numerical problems pertaining to this topic, that is motion up an inclined plane. So in the next session, that is in the session number 13, I will be taking up a question from NCERT exemplar which will be based on this topic, that is motion up an inclined plane. So thank you very much for joining this session. Have a nice day. Bye.